Hi everyone, welcome back to MNB English Lessons. Today we are talking about something many of us find a little bit tricky, starting conversations. If you are an introvert or just a little shy, this video is for you. It can feel hard, right? You might think, what do I say? How do I begin? Well, don't worry. You don't need to be a loud, outgoing person to speak English. Today, I'm giving you 3 simple scripts you can use to start a conversation anywhere. Okay, let's get into that. Number 1, use the observation. This is the easiest way to start because you are not talking about yourself. You are talking about the world around you. Imagine you are waiting for a bus or standing in line for coffee. If the weather is nice, just say, "It's a beautiful day, isn't it?" And you can say, "This weather is crazy, right?" It is simple, it is safe, and it gives the other person an easy way to agree with you. And let's look at number 2. Ask for a small favor. Most people actually enjoy being helpful. It's a very natural way to break the ice, to break the silence. If you are in a library, a park, or a shop, try asking a simple question. For example, "Excuse me, do you know if there is a restroom nearby?" Or even, "Excuse me, do you know what time this place closes?" Once they answer, you can just say, "Thank you, I appreciate it." You have started a conversation without any pressure. Now let's look at number 3. Number 3 is find common ground. This works best when you are in the same place, for the same reason, like a classroom or a work event. You already have something in common. After a meeting or a lesson, turn to the person next to you and say, "That was interesting, wasn't it?" Or if you are at a party, you can ask, "How do you know the host?" These questions work because they are about the situation you are both in right now. So remember, you don't have to talk for an hour. The goal is to just open the door. These phrases are like keys. The more you use them, the more comfortable you'll feel, and you'll keep finding more phrases you can use. So, which one will you try first? The weather, a question, or a shared comment? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to MNB English Lessons for more easy tips. See you in the next video.